Welcome to Matt Makes Stuff. Today we are making these simple, cheap, affordable fixture clamps for your table. They're gonna make your life easier. They've already made mine easier. Let's get into it. I do want to give a quick shout out to Wesley Treat, who did come up with sort of the original version of this. So that's a great video as well. Let's get into it.
Let's just start out with saying that I do not recommend cutting without the guard on. I just so happen to have it off because I was using a flap disc, and I honestly just didn't feel like putting it back on. With cutting thinner things like this, you can kind of get away with it. I've just done it so many times, I know where things kind of get hairy, and I typically will always have it on. And make sure if you do cut without the guard on that you do not have your head in line with your disc, because if it explodes then it's going right into your face, and that would be bad for your face. Alright, so now after I'm cutting it, I'm going over with a Scotch-Brite pad. That is just to get the paint off so that when I go to weld it, I have a nice clean surface. And I'm kind of doing the same thing here. I'm grinding the bolts down flat. Once again, so I have a clean surface, I get that kind of zinc coating off the top, and then coming back with that Scotch-Brite. So now you'll see how I am going to be fixturing these parts. These jigs are so handy to have. I have 4 of these. I use them almost every single day. And these are not genuine metalwork fixtures, but he has the patent on them now, so I would recommend go with his. All right, get ready for this. Yeah, it still happens all the time. More than I would like to admit. It's just so easy to forget to turn the gas on. So we're just throwing 2 tacks on there and then coming back with I believe it's a 3/32 filler rod. Now the last thing we're going to do is round those hard edges off. I actually did not do this at first. I went to fixture a part and realized that it actually wouldn't fit if I didn't round these corners. So this is definitely an important step. There we have it, the finished clamp. These are very easy to make and very cheap as well. And they work great.